So my name is Alyson Steele, and my project is on the role of entertainment media in the persistence of images of poverty in Canadian and American societies. We're hoping to look at the stigma that entertainment media creates on those dealing with poverty and try to break up what actually is being seen through entertainment media and what is actually true to what we see on our streets. I would say to look for a mentor that you kind of really connect with and have a good relationship with. You're going to be working with them a lot over the summer, so someone you can communicate well with and that you feel like has your best interests at heart. I enjoyed not only connecting with MacLennan during the research, but also the rest of the team. We worked with a lot of research assistants and past research assistants, as well as collaborators on the project, and it was really interesting to hear from them and grow connections through them.